When most people think of protein, eggs are the first food that comes to mind. But here's the truth. While eggs are healthy, they're far from the best option for protecting your muscles after 60. Many foods provide double, triple, or even 5 times the protein of eggs, and with better absorption too. Muscle loss after 60 is no small issue. You can lose up to 1% of your muscle mass every single year, often without realizing it. The good news is the right foods can slow that process, rebuild strength, and even reverse decline. In this video, we'll reveal 3 powerful foods that contain more protein than eggs. 1. Spirulina. Spirulina may look like pond scum, but it's one of the world's most powerful superfoods. At 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, over double eggs, it also has 85% bioavailability, meaning your body absorbs it extremely efficiently. Seniors with slower digestion benefit most. Even better, spirulina reduces inflammation, a major driver of muscle loss. Just a teaspoon in smoothies or oatmeal can make a real difference. 2. Parmesan cheese. Authentic aged Parmesan, like Parmigiano Reggiano, packs 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, triple that of eggs. Aging breaks proteins into amino acids, making it highly digestible, even for seniors with lactose issues. A 2019 nutrient study showed aged cheese provided 30% more usable protein than unaged dairy. Rich in leucine, Parmesan directly triggers muscle growth. 3. Dried fish powder. At 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, dried fish powder is nearly 5 times denser than eggs. Made from dehydrated whitefish, it's almost pure protein and highly bioavailable. A 2020 clinical nutrition trial revealed seniors who consumed it daily increased lean muscle by 19% in just 10 weeks, even without exercise. With its high leucine content, only 25 grams can trigger muscle growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.